For centuries, people have vanished without a trace in one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Ships disappear, planes go missing, and explanations often fall short. But what if these modern mysteries are linked to a much older legend? Some researchers believe the key lies in the lost city of Atlantis. Could it be that Atlantis was not destroyed but simply submerged nearby? What secrets lie beneath the waves just off America's southeastern shore? Let us take a closer look at the Bermuda Triangle and what it might be hiding.
The Bermuda Triangle stretches between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This region is famous for unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft. For decades, scientists and storytellers alike have offered countless theories. Some point to magnetic anomalies, while others mention human error. Yet a few go deeper, linking these events to ancient ruins beneath the sea. Satellite images have revealed strange shapes near the Bahamas. These formations seem too symmetrical to be natural. Some say they resemble roads, walls, and even pyramid-like structures. Theories suggest these could be remnants of a forgotten civilization. Could it be that Atlantis once thrived here before sinking beneath the waves? Plato's writings describe an advanced society swallowed by the sea. He claimed Atlantis existed just beyond the Pillars of Hercules. But if we misread his maps, perhaps it was actually closer than we thought. The ocean still guards its secrets, but technology is starting to catch up. What lies beneath may be more than legend. It may be the lost truth.
Plato was the first to describe Atlantis in great detail. He claimed it was a mighty empire that sank in a single day and night. Most assume he referred to the Mediterranean or beyond. But what if we misunderstood his geographical clues? Some researchers believe his descriptions match the Western Atlantic. That would place Atlantis closer to the Bermuda Triangle than expected. Let us follow Plato's words and explore this possibility further.
Plato described Atlantis as a vast island larger than Libya and Asia combined. He said it lay beyond the Pillars of Hercules, widely thought to be the Strait of Gibraltar. But some scholars argue the pillars could refer to a different location in ancient times. Plato's account mentions concentric rings of water and land, advanced technology, and powerful rulers. These details sound mythical, but also eerily specific. Some believe the ancient Greeks may have received their knowledge from even older sources. The Atlanteans were said to have mastered architecture, navigation, and energy systems. Such a civilization could have influenced cultures across both sides of the Atlantic. If Atlantis really existed, its ruins could now lie submerged under thousands of feet of ocean. The Bermuda Triangle area has long been known for unusual underwater features. Some even claim ancient inscriptions and stone structures were spotted on the ocean floor. Could Plato's descriptions match what we are beginning to discover beneath the waves? The question remains open, but the clues are becoming harder to ignore. Maybe Plato's tale was more historical than fictional after all.
Plato was not the only one to speak of a great land swallowed by the sea. Legends of a sunken city exist in Native American, Caribbean, and South American traditions. Stories of ancient lands lost to floods and oceans appear across the globe. These myths often include warnings from the gods and tales of immense destruction. Could they all be describing the same forgotten place? It is possible that oral history preserved real events distorted by time. Let us explore these stories and see where they lead us.
In the Caribbean, there are tales of a once great land that fell into the sea. Among Native American tribes, some myths tell of sky people and submerged homelands. In South America, ancient civilizations speak of floods that ended golden ages. The Hopi tell of previous worlds destroyed by water. The Maya left glyphs that suggest cosmic catastrophes and vanished cities. All these legends share one core element: a powerful civilization lost beneath the ocean. Some researchers believe these stories might point to a shared memory of a global event. The flood myth is found in nearly every ancient culture, from Mesopotamia to Polynesia. Could this be more than coincidence? Could the Bermuda Triangle be the final resting place of what was once Atlantis? Some believe the strange events in the region are the echoes of ancient technology. Others claim unusual magnetic fields and underwater ruins support the idea. There are even reports of stone circles, walls, and towers beneath the sea. Though mainstream science remains skeptical, these stories keep resurfacing. They may be clues we have not yet learned how to interpret. and they may bring us closer to uncovering a truth long buried beneath the waves.
Just off the coast of the Bahamas, strange underwater formations have sparked debate for decades. Some look like ancient roads or walls made of stone blocks. One of the most well-known sites is the Bimini Road. Discovered in 1968, it appears to be a carefully aligned path beneath the sea. While many scientists claim it is a natural formation, others are not convinced. The shapes are too precise, the alignment too structured to be random. Let us examine what really lies beneath the surface.
The Bimini Road is made of large limestone blocks laid in a linear pattern. Some pieces appear cut or shaped, fitting together more tightly than chance would allow. Divers have noted that the blocks rest on a uniform seabed, unlike nearby natural rock formations. There are claims of additional features nearby: columns, steps, and what look like foundations. Some believe these may be the remnants of an ancient harbor or temple. Geologists argue the stones cracked naturally and shifted over time. But sonar scans have revealed even deeper geometric shapes in the region. Satellite images show anomalies that resemble walls and circles in shallow waters. Could these be ruins of a city swallowed by rising seas thousands of years ago? The region is also known for unexplained compass failures and electronic disturbances. These anomalies add to the mystery and draw comparisons to the Atlantis legend. Several expeditions have been launched, but results remain inconclusive. Despite skepticism, the questions refuse to disappear. What if these structures are just the beginning of a much larger discovery?
Many pilots and sailors have reported strange behavior in the Bermuda Triangle. Navigation instruments fail, compasses spin, and radios go silent without warning. Some scientists blame magnetic anomalies unique to this part of the ocean. Others suggest ancient technology beneath the seafloor may be interfering with electronics. Could remnants of Atlantis still be emitting energy after all this time? Or are these just misunderstood natural forces at work? Let us dive into the theories and evidence that try to explain these mysteries.
In the heart of the Bermuda Triangle, some ships and planes have vanished without a trace. Magnetic readings in the area sometimes show deviations from Earth's normal magnetic field. These shifts can affect navigation systems, leading to disorientation or even total failure. One theory suggests there are natural magnetic vortexes deep underwater. Others believe ancient technology, possibly from a lost civilization like Atlantis, is still active. There are also reports of glowing lights, time distortions, and sudden energy pulses. Some believe the government knows more than it reveals and keeps these findings classified. Instruments brought to the area have malfunctioned without clear cause. Underwater anomalies, like unusual rock formations, have been found with strong magnetic fields. Electromagnetic energy may explain the strange fog or shimmering haze often seen by witnesses. Even modern research vessels have experienced sudden power losses in this region. Despite advancements in science, no full explanation has been accepted. This has fueled conspiracy theories and alternative archaeology claims for decades. Whatever the truth may be, something unusual is happening in these waters.
Technology has allowed us to explore the ocean floor like never before. With sonar, satellite imaging, and deep-sea drones, new features are constantly being discovered. Some of these resemble human-made structures hidden beneath layers of sediment. Teams from around the world have begun scanning the Bermuda Triangle for evidence. Could modern tools finally confirm what ancient myths have suggested all along? Or will the ocean continue to keep its secrets buried? Let us look at what recent expeditions have uncovered.
Sonar scans have revealed massive shapes beneath the ocean floor, some resembling pyramids or walls. In 2001, a submerged structure was found near Cuba, sparking international debate. Some believe this site may be over 6,000 years old, older than any known civilization. Deep-sea dives near the Bahamas have documented formations with right angles and flat surfaces. These are rare in nature, but common in architecture. Ocean mapping has identified symmetrical patterns on the seafloor not explained by geology. High-resolution images show rows of stones that could be foundations or roads. Researchers have found similarities between these underwater shapes and ancient structures on land. If verified, they could change our understanding of human history. But many findings remain unconfirmed due to lack of funding or access restrictions. Academic institutions are cautious, requiring more data before making bold claims. Still, Explorers continue to push forward with each new mission. Curiosity drives these efforts as much as science does, and the deeper they search, the more questions they seem to find.
The lines between legend and science are starting to blur. Some researchers believe the Bermuda Triangle may hold the last remains of Atlantis. Ancient stories mention a powerful city swallowed by the sea in a single day and night. Its location was said to be beyond the Pillars of Hercules, possibly pointing toward this region. Modern underwater findings echo these ancient descriptions in surprising ways. Are these connections just coincidence, or signs of a deeper truth? Let us take a closer look at how the myth of Atlantis aligns with today's discoveries.
Plato described Atlantis as a vast island with advanced architecture, canals, and towers. Its people were said to be powerful, wise, and technologically superior. The city was destroyed in a great cataclysm and vanished beneath the ocean. Many believe the story was symbolic, but others see it as historical fact. Recent underwater anomalies show formations similar to what Plato described. Large symmetrical structures, unusual materials, and unexplained alignments have been detected. Some theorists suggest Atlantis survivors could have fled to the Americas. This might explain sudden advances in ancient American civilizations. Others propose that energy fields in the Bermuda Triangle are remnants of Atlantean power. Legends from the Caribbean and Mesoamerica also speak of sunken lands and sky gods. Satellite imaging has uncovered shapes too precise to be natural. Yet mainstream science remains skeptical, citing the need for clearer evidence. Still, every new discovery pushes the debate forward. Atlantis may not be a forgotten myth, but a puzzle waiting to be solved.
The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle continues to challenge our understanding. From ancient legends to cutting-edge technology, the search for answers has only grown stronger. Perhaps Atlantis does lie beneath these turbulent waters. Or maybe the triangle holds secrets we are only beginning to comprehend. What matters most is the curiosity that drives us to explore. History, science, and myth are all pieces of the same puzzle. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the unknown. If you found this video thought-provoking, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.